Hello and welcome back to our channel. The topic of our today's video is dating with social anxiety. Why it feels so hard and how to make it easier. Have you ever liked someone but the moment you thought about texting them, your heart started racing, your mind went blank, and suddenly you were convincing yourself they probably don't like me anyway. Or maybe you went on a date and instead of enjoying the moment, you spent the entire time analyzing how you were sitting, how you were talking, and whether you sounded awkward. If that sounds familiar, you are not bad at dating, you are not broken, you might be dating with social anxiety. And today we are going to talk about why dating feels so hard when you have social anxiety, and more importantly, how you can approach dating without losing yourself, your confidence, or your peace of mind. What is social anxiety in dating? Dating with social anxiety is not just about being shy, it's about fear of being judged, fear of rejection, fear of saying the wrong thing, fear of being seen as awkward, boring, or not enough. Your brain treats dating like a high risk situation. It's not romance, it's danger. When you are dating with social anxiety, your mind overthinks every message. Silence feels like rejection. One small mistake feels catastrophic. You replay conversations for hours or days, and the worst part, you often blame yourself for feeling this way. Why dating triggers social anxiety so much? Dating hits every fear social anxiety already has. Number one, you are being evaluated. Dating feels like an unspoken test. Are you attractive enough? Are you interesting enough? Are you confident enough? Social anxiety is deeply connected to fear of negative evaluation. So, dating feels like standing on a stage with no script. Number two, emotional vulnerability feels unsafe. Dating requires openness, and social anxiety says if they see the real you, they will leave. So you hide your personality, over filter your words, try to be perfect, but perfection kills connection. Number 3, your nervous system is always on high alert. Even when nothing is wrong, your body reacts like something might go wrong. Fast heartbeat, sweaty palms, tense jaw, racing thoughts. It's not weakness, it's a threat response. How social anxiety shows up while dating. You might recognize yourself in these patterns. Overthinking text messages. You write a message, delete it, rewrite it, wait, panic, and finally don't send anything at all. Then you blame yourself for missing the chance. Avoiding dates you actually want. You say no to dates not because you don't care, but because anxiety convinces you it is safer not to go. Regret replaces relief later. Being quiet or shut down on dates. Your mind goes blank, you struggle to respond naturally. You feel disconnected from yourself. And afterward you think, why can't I just be normal? Assuming rejection before it happens. A delayed reply, they are losing interest. A neutral facial expression, they are bored. Social anxiety fills in the gap with fear. The biggest lie social anxiety tells you. The biggest lie is this: you need to be confident to be loved, but you don't need to be. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with authentic emotion. You don't need to eliminate anxiety to date, you need to stop fighting yourself because of it. How to date with social anxiety? Practical strategies. Number one, stop trying to hide your anxiety. Trying to hide anxiety actually makes it stronger. Instead of thinking, I must act confident, try, I am allowed to feel nervous and still show up. Confidence is not absence of fear, It is presence despite fear. Number two, shift focus from being liked to being curious. Anxiety says, do they like me? Try asking, do I enjoy talking to them? Do I feel safe being myself here? Dating is not about impressing, it is about exploring compatibility. Number three, ground your body before dates. Your body needs safety before your mind can relax. Before a date, take slow, deep breaths. Relax your shoulders and jaw. Place your feet firmly on the ground. Tell your body, I am safe right now. Number 4. Allow small awkward moments. Awkward moments don't ruin attraction, they create humanity. Laughing at a pose is more attractive than forcing perfection. Number 5. Be honest but gently. You don't need to overshare, but saying something like, I get a little nervous on first dates can actually relieve pressure. What if you get rejected? Rejection hurts everyone, but social anxiety makes it feel personal. Remember this, rejection does not mean you are unlovable. It means timing was wrong, chemistry was not mutual, needs did not align. Rejection is a feedback, not a verdict. Building confidence slowly. Confidence grows from small exposures, gentle self talk, self compassion, not forcing yourself into panic situations. Celebrate showing up, sending the text, going on the date. Progress matters more than the outcome. To conclude, a message for you. If you are dating with social anxiety, you are not behind. You are not defective. You are not too much. You feel deeply, you care deeply, and that's not a flaw. The right person won't need a perfect version of you, they will need a real one. And if this video made you feel understood, you are not alone. Like the video, subscribe for more psychology based content and comment. I am learning to date without fear because you deserve connection without losing yourself.